Hey guys, this is just a quick video to show you how to get your vocabulary notebook set up. So go ahead and make sure you get out your black composition book for vocabulary and morphology. And we are going to make sure that you have everything in there from weeks 1 and 2 so that you are ready to move on next week with 3 and 4. Everything is very important that you go ahead and get it in there before we move on because we will be adding stuff continually throughout the semester, and it's great to have it all in one place. I know you have different things in different places right now, but the whole point of this notebook is so that this can be your resource. This is stuff that does not change. So it's really, really great to have. So you've already numbered your pages in here. On pages 1 and 2, you should have your concepts to learn. They may go over onto the 3rd page. That is okay. Feel free to pause the video at any time. I'm just making sure that you can actually see what is written there. So those are the concepts to learn. Those should have been completed already. Now go ahead and turn to page 37. Oh, nope. Go to 17 first. Page 17. At the top of 17, you will write prefixes at the top. And what I did, I went ahead and wrote the definition again. I would really recommend that because you don't necessarily want to flip all the way back to the front cover to get your definition there. So go ahead and pause the video and write the definition again. And then for weeks 1 and 2, you are going to write all of the prefixes that we learned. That is on a worksheet, or you can stop here and fill those in really quickly. Again, this is on page 17. Okay. And then you are going to turn to page 37. And you will do the same with suffixes. So I wrote suffixes at the top. And then I wrote the definition here. Again, it's the same definition that you have in the front. I would recommend copying it again to make sure that you have the information on the page where you're actually using it. And then here are all the suffixes. Again, this is on the sheet that you have. They should be on the note cards that you have to study with. But again, let's keep it all in the same place. So you are on page 37, weeks 1 and 2, and then write your list of suffixes with their definitions. Go ahead and pause it and fill those in. Okay, and once you are finished with that, you can go ahead and flip all the way back to the notes section. There are a couple of other sections that you will fill in, but for right now, for weeks 1 and 2, to make sure that you are all caught up to this point, go ahead and turn to page 77. So all the way towards the back of your book, page 77, and you are going to write notes at the top. These are just really great reminders. Again, it's all about keeping everything all in one place so that you can find it to reference as you're writing, as you're spelling, and as you're studying. So weeks 1 and 2, I wrote about chameleon letters and transitional letters. Again, those definitions are in the front of the book, but it's important that you have them all together under weeks 1 and 2 on page 77. And then at the bottom, I did the 1-1-1 doubling rule and the facts that go along with it there. So if you want to pause and fill those in, or if you want to refer back to the other worksheet, that is okay too. But I would make sure that you have all of this set up and ready to go so that on Tuesday in class, when we go to start adding stuff for weeks 3 and 4 and down the road, that you are all ready to go. Thanks, guys. See you.